How to use Dropship.io extension. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the extension of Dropship.io. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Dropship.io. Now, within the platform, we have the landing page. You can go ahead and use this extension within your navigator. Simply click on Install Extension and it will take you to the App Store or the marketplace of your app. Here we have two options. Either we go to install it for Chrome or you can go ahead and install it for your Microsoft Edge. I'm going to click on Add Extension and there it will be adding the extension right there. Simply go ahead into your extension and enable Dropship product research. Make it like that, and here we have the extension set. The next thing that we need to do is to log in into our account. If you don't have an account yet, simply go ahead and click on Start Free Trial, and from that you are going to set up the plan and you will get also a 7-day trial. Now, I have already set or got the 7-day trial. Now we are on the dashboard. As you can see, everything is set and also the Dropship extension is already set within the navigator. Now, when you click on it, you can go to facebook.com to start finding ads. This is an option. Or also, you can go ahead and visit a Shopify store or a boutique or a normal store on the web and you can see the products on it and then you can make some research about the product and the selling of that. Now, we have everything right here set. We have here the browser or the tools that are available within Dropship.io. We have the ad spot. You can search their library with millions of ads or Facebook ads. You can click on ad spot and right there we have everything. You can type the product or see the Facebook ads library right there with the very known products. And we have the product database, sales tracker, competitors research, and also the portfolio. You can go ahead and make or connect your store within a Shopify and make something like that. So that will make the things such as important products easier for you to your Shopify account. So you have to connect your account to your Shopify store. And to do that, you are going to set up, for example, put settings. And from there, you are going simply to click on Shopify store, click on connect, and choose one of these options. If you have a Shopify store, select these. If you want to generate it from AI, click on that. If you don't have a Shopify store, you can benefit with a free trial Shopify store from their offer. In my case, I will go ahead and connect it to my Shopify store. So we are going to install this extension and we'll wait for a few seconds. It will open up the marketplace or your Shopify account. Click on install and we have the first thing set. You will see that your Shopify store is connected. Now, let's go ahead and see the other options that we can go and set. For example, I am going to put here on Google. Let's go to Google and we are going to put store, and there will be a lot of options and also stores. If you want to search for a certain product, I'm going to put here dog leash like that and search for any product on Google. You can find any of the products right away. For example, you can choose whatever website that you have or you want, and then you can go ahead and activate the dropship. When you set the dropship apps, you can go ahead and select or collect the ads right there from another platform. You can go ahead to Facebook and see the ads right there. I'm going right there to Facebook and see what we will have. Within this option, you are going to save, as they said on the dropship extension, the ads that are for your case very interesting. So you are going to see if there's any ads on your profile or on your feed and save it, and you will see it right there. You can see the advertiser, the favorite ads, and etc. That was for the Facebook. You can go only and select only ads or set whatever you want. In our case, we are going to track some stores or some example stores to let you see how things works. Go back to your dropship.io platform and simply click on a sales tracker or also product database. You can here filter the products and see what type of products that will work. You can go ahead and search on these products within Shopify or AutoDS. This is the product, and here we have the monthly sales of it. You can go ahead and track it, put a start tracking product or start tracking store. You can set right there. Here we have the store, and you have successfully started tracking Alkirel. Now, these are the products that are trending right now and has a lot of income. You can go ahead and set the price or also the monthly sales. You can filter this by setting the monthly sales like that, and then you are going to see the shops of these products. For example, this necklace or breathing necklace is in this shop, which is a silence or silent wish, and it is named another thing right there. You can see here that we have the product, we have the review, we have the Shopify page, and also we have some details. Now you can go ahead and click on here. We have the dropship, as you can see, extension. You can overview the product and see the store, and from there you are going to sign into your account. I have signed in. I can go ahead and see the overview of the account right there, the total revenue, the total sales, and also the product details. You can go ahead and import it to your Shopify store, for example, or start tracking it. Here we have the live sales and the ad library on Facebook. I don't need this for now, but I'm going to see this example or another product. Let's say that we are going to see this one. This is a 3-in-1 black hair dye shampoo. So we are going to visit the website of this one. And here we have the product page. Go ahead and click on the overview again. And simply you can see the ups and downs of these products. For there, the products within today is set to $0. But yesterday it is sold to $2,000, and before that we have a peak of 4,900. You can go ahead and set this product. Obviously here why we have $0, because the owner of the store stopped the ads within Facebook. Now, to add a store or to add a product for the store that you own, it is very simple. You can go ahead and click on product details and click on import to Shopify, and in few clicks you are going to import it to your Shopify store since it is connected. When you click on import, it will open up and also visit the imported page. Right there, we are going to wait for a few seconds, and here we have the product imported. So it will import the images, the description, the price, and also everything. As you can see here, everything is set. It is a copy paste, as you can see, a process. So for the price, you can go ahead and compare your pricing right there and make whatever you want. You can higher up the price, and I'm going to see here the page. Go ahead and close these. I don't need them. And here we have it. The status is draft. As you can see, you can put it on active and etc. Now, when you are satisfied within the products, you are going simply to set it as active and publish that product, and also go ahead and profit or benefit from the multiple options that are set within Dropship.io. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.